product came fast and we are excited to assemble. Company has been in communication with us and reassuring us that this product was a great investment. The product came earlier than expected, which made me extremely happy. Very easy to put together, the sound is great, heats up in minutes, the lights are really nice and the reading light is bright. I'm very happy with this purchase and would definitely buy more from this seller. Love the sauna. Packed well, easy to put together. Disappointed wood was splintered 2 places on the roof. Was packed that way because when I removed the packing there it was. See picture. Was able to wood glue does not affect use. Just when you pay a good amount of money you expect nothing wrong with it. This fits perfect in the master bathroom. Very easy to assemble and works great. It took longer to unpack than to assemble, because it was packed so well and it was so easy to assemble. Really nice. Love our sauna, good people to deal with. Click on the link below to see price.